A centuries-old Javanese tradition, songbird contests like these are rapidly expanding across Indonesia. Lured by big prize money, glory, and the chance to compete nationwide, the passion for caged birds has never been stronger.
This isn't a beauty pageant. It's a chirping contest. It's chirping mania.
But with Indonesia's growing chirping obsession comes the prospect of the extinction for some wild species. Authorities are often confronted with cruel smuggling methods, like these birds stuffed in plastic bottles seized in Surabaya in 2015. Only a few competitions have pledged to restrict tournaments to birds that are bred in captivity only. A metal ring like this, applied to the chick's leg, helps to distinguish between wild and farmed birds.
Bred birds must wear rings. You can't put a ring on a bird caught in the wild. The feet will break. If they're grown, the ring won't fit.
But despite such efforts, loose law enforcement and booming demand mean that the future of Indonesia's wild bird population looks uncertain at best.